Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this which MLB player are you filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit the creator profile and check in the filter tray. You will find this filter which MLB player. Tap on it. You will see this preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. So to use this filter you have to press and hold the camera button. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.